Hey, what's going on everyone? I'm going to show you how to install Minecraft Forge for a Minecraft server. You need to have the single player version of Minecraft Forge installed. If you don't know how to do that, please click the annotation on screen at the moment. All of the links that I use in this video are in the description, and there's a download link to WinRAR in the description as well. So first thing you want to do is come to minecraft.net/download and download minecraftserver.jar just here, and then stick it in a folder on your desktop. Then come to this link and you want the most recent download of Minecraft Forge with a star next to it, which is this one. And then where it says here Minecraft Forge Universal, not the SRC version. So just go on to it and then go on the skip ad here after 5 seconds. Your Minecraft server.jar is in a folder by itself, so just drag that off to the side, right click, open with WinRAR, and then just drag that off to the side, and then open up your Minecraft Forge Universal. Now for normal single player mods you delete the meta-imp folder, but on this you do not, you leave it there. So take all of these Minecraft Forge Universal folders, drag them across, and then push OK. Now before you install any other mod on this server, you need to run the Minecraft server.jar, and that will add in all of the folders that you need to install Minecraft mods. Now the rest of the video is just going to be me loading up the server and Minecraft and going on it just to prove that it works. So thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.